Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change plans in Netflix. Whether you want to upgrade or downgrade your Netflix plan, you can easily do it within a few steps. Open up your web browsers because we cannot do this process within the app of Netflix. Search for netflix.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the three lines on the top left and then open up account. From the account section, you just scroll down and you'll have an option of plan details and it's going to show you your current plan. Tap on change plan. There are 4 plans and there are 3 other plans that you can choose from besides from the current plan that you're using. The cheapest one is the mobile plan, and the expensive one is the premium plan, which costs $11.99 per month. This includes 4K quality and can be used on many devices. So change your plan according to your likings and tap on continue. Once again, make sure that your current plan is the same and the new plan that you selected is correct. Once you do, you just tap on confirm change and your new plan will start from this date. The new plan won't start immediately, but you need to wait out a couple of days or even a couple of weeks. You just see the date right here and the amount of money will be deducted from the card or the PayPal account that you have added. So that was the video on how to change plans on Netflix. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.